In this portion of the video, you will learn more about reporting unwanted sexual contact through the administrative process coordinated by the Office of Equal Opportunity and Diversity, Title IX.
Hello, my name is Teresa Truman. I am the Deputy Title IX Officer in the Office of Equal Opportunity and Diversity, also known as OEOD. I lead a team of specialized investigators who conduct administrative investigations of sexual violence. As a UCI student, you also have the option of making an administrative report to the university through OEOD. OEOD operates separately from the UCI Police Department and is responsible for conducting investigations to determine if a violation of university policy has occurred. In this portion of the video, you will learn more about the administrative process through the Office of Equal Opportunity and Diversity. The decision to report your incident to the police or OEOD is entirely up to you and should be made when you are ready to come forward. The administrative process for handling sexual assault cases is different in the administrative process than the criminal court process. Administrative reports of sexual assault are made to the Office of Equal Opportunity and Diversity and assigned to an investigator who has received specialized training in investigating cases of sexual assault. The OEOD investigator's role is to conduct a prompt, thorough, and unbiased investigation to determine whether or not a violation of university policy occurred. During the investigation, the OEOD investigator will separately interview you, the individual accused, as well as witnesses. The investigator will gather evidence such as text messages and Facebook posts and other social media. When you meet with the OEOD investigator, you may have an advocate or support person present. During the course of the investigation, you may contact OEOD for updates or with any questions or concerns you may have. At the conclusion of the investigation, the OEOD investigator will determine, based on a preponderance of the evidence, meaning whether it's more likely or not, whether a violation occurred. Students are often hesitant to come forward because they were using alcohol or drugs when the incident occurred. Please know that if you make a report of sexual violence to OEOD, you will not be held responsible for any violations of the university's drug or alcohol policy. Our main concern is your safety and well-being. It is important for you to know that whether or not you decide to move forward with an administrative investigation or a criminal investigation, OEOD can assist you with what is known as remedial measures. Remedial measures can include no contact orders, which direct the other individual to stay away from you. We can also assist with changes to your housing or classes, or assist with academic assistance and counseling. When the OEOD investigator concludes the investigation, you will be notified of their decision. And if a violation of university policy has been found, the case will be sent to the Office of Student Conduct for sanctioning. To file an administrative report, contact OEOD at 949-824-5594. If you are unsure about this process, we encourage you to contact the CARE office to find out more information. If you decide to file a report with the UCI PD, please instruct them to notify OEOD and we will contact you.
As a UCI student, you also have the option of informing the university so that they can pursue disciplinary action if the person who assaulted you is also a UCI student. The Office of Student Conduct operates separately from the UCI Police Department and the Office of Equal Opportunity and Diversity, and can impose a range of sanctions if a policy violation is found. In this portion of the video, you will learn more about the adjudication process through the Office of Student Conduct.
Hello, my name is Crystal Ray Lugo-Scherer, and this is my colleague Mario Garibay. And we are from the Office of Student Conduct with Student Life and Leadership. Our role on the campus is to hear and decide on cases where students may have violated university policy. Some of the more serious incidents on the campus are allegations of sexual assault. For students who have been a victim of sexual assault, we understand that this can be a stressful time and you may have many questions. We encourage you to seek support from friends or resources on campus, such as the Campus Assault Resources and Education Office, otherwise known as CARE.
The decision to report your incident to the police or the Office of Equal Opportunity and Diversity is entirely up to you and should be made when you are ready to come forward. But the sooner a report is made, it may increase the likelihood of finding the offending person responsible for violating school policy.
The process for handling sexual misconduct cases is different than the criminal court process. It is important to note that the criminal courts will be looking for proof beyond a reasonable doubt, while our administrative process will be making a determination on the preponderance of the evidence, more likely than not determination based on the evidence. The Office of Student Conduct partners with the Office of Equal Opportunity and Diversity in the adjudication of sexual misconduct cases. The Office of Equal Opportunity and Diversity will have a senior investigator determine if a violation of the university policy took place or not, using the preponderance standard. Once a report is completed, and if and when a violation of policy was determined, the report is sent to the Office of Student Conduct.
It is the role of the Office of Student Conduct to impose the appropriate disciplinary action. Students who violate university policy can face a range of sanctions, including suspension or dismissal from the university. A sanction decision may be appealed to the Dean of Students, or, depending if the sanction was a suspension or dismissal, the accused can choose to have the case heard from the Student Conduct Review Board, de novo, from the beginning. However, you are not required to participate at the hearing, and if you do choose to participate, there are multiple ways we can accommodate you to make the process easier.
If you are unsure about this process or your options, we encourage you to contact the CARE office to find out more information. If you decide to file a report with the UCI Police Department, please instruct them to forward the report to the Office of Equal Opportunity and Diversity, and they will contact you.